Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best S Pen replacement is probably one of the most important accessories for Galaxy Note and S Ultra users, offering seamless integration and enhanced functionality. This video will guide you through the process of finding and selecting the perfect replacement S Pen, ensuring you don't miss out on the precision, responsiveness, and creative potential that only an authentic S Pen can provide. We will explore various options, compare features, and help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget, so you can get back to writing, drawing, and enjoying all the benefits of your Galaxy device. Number 5. S22 Ultra S Pen. This is the replacement S Pen for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your phone, offering precise control and enhanced functionality. Inside the box, you'll find the S Pen itself and 5 extra nibs. Everything you need to get started is included. It's easy to use. It's 100% tested with 4096 pressure levels for perfect performance. This S Pen features Bluetooth connectivity. Use it to control your phone's camera, presentations, and more. We offer 180 days of quality assurance. Contact us within 24 hours if you have any issues. For a quick setup guide, check out our helpful video tutorial. The link is in the product description. What we like. It has Bluetooth functionality for extra control and comes with 5 replacement nibs. The 180-day warranty provides peace of mind. If you need a versatile S Pen with a good warranty, this is a great option. What people say. Connected immediately, no scan or anything. Works great. No issues with this pen, as good as the one that came with my phone. Syncs immediately and fits snugly in the stylus slot. Also has different tips that all work well with my phone. It fit correctly and my phone charged it as well. No issues as of this posting. Number 4. Galaxy S22 Ultra Pen, 2-pack. Upgrade your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with this high-quality replacement stylus. It offers precise touch and control, supporting all menu functions. This pen boasts 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring accuracy in every stroke. Enjoy a smooth and responsive writing experience. It's designed to work perfectly with your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. All menu functions are fully supported. Get 2 replacement pens for the price of 1. We also offer a 2-month warranty for your peace of mind. Your package includes 2 replacement stylus pens, ready to enhance your Galaxy S22 Ultra experience. Start using them immediately. Please note that it does not include Bluetooth functionality. However, all other features work perfectly. What we like. This pack offers 2 pens for the price of 1, each with 4096 pressure levels for precision. It comes with a 2-month warranty. If you want a budget-friendly option with a backup pen, this is for you. What people say. Came quickly, works perfectly with my phone. It arrived today and you know what, it works great. They do everything the original does just as well except for the Bluetooth. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra S Pen. Experience the precision and convenience of the new S Pen. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your Galaxy S22 Ultra, offering a natural writing and drawing experience. With its slim 0.7mm tip and 4096 pressure levels, it feels just like a real pen. Sketch, write, and draw with incredible accuracy and nuance. It's more than just a stylus, it's a remote control. Use it to take photos, control your music, and more, all without ever touching your phone. Access the Air Command menu for quick access to features like Smart Select, Screen Write, and Live Messages. It's intuitive and incredibly convenient. This S Pen enhances your Galaxy S22 Ultra experience, making it even more versatile and enjoyable to use. It's the perfect tool for creativity and productivity. What we like. It boasts a slim 0.7mm tip for accuracy and includes Bluetooth for remote control and Air Command features. If you prioritize precision and remote functionality, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly. Connects great. No different than the one that came with my S22 Ultra. Has full functions as original. It arrived new, in an unopened Samsung box. Fits in my phone as it should. Synced with Bluetooth automatically. Functions properly. Number 2. Galaxy S23 Ultra S Pen, 2-pack. This is a replacement stylus for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your phone, offering the same precision and responsiveness as the original. Experience the same smooth writing and drawing as your original S Pen. It features a slim 0.7mm pen tip and 4096 pressure levels for incredible accuracy. Quickly jot down notes, sketch ideas, or edit documents with ease. It's the perfect tool for on-the-go productivity and creative expression. Simply hover it over your screen and click the button to access useful features like Smart Select, Screen Write, and Live Messages. It's all at your fingertips. You'll receive 2 replacement S Pens and extra nibs. This ensures you always have a backup, ready to go. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. What we like. This pack includes 2 pens and replacement nibs, each with a precise 0.7mm tip. If you need extra pens and nibs, this is a great value option. What people say. Much better than the last one I purchased from a different seller. No issues with sensitivity or accuracy. The replacement pen fits the phone and works as well as the original. Even though my phone indicates the pen is not connected, it works every time I have used it. Number 1. Galaxy S23 Ultra S Pen. Experience the ultimate in precision and control with the new Galaxy S23 Ultra S Pen. It seamlessly integrates with your phone for a natural writing and drawing experience. It's more than just a stylus, it's a remote. Use it to take photos, control your music, and more, all from a distance. Access the Air Command menu instantly. With a simple click, you can use features like Smart Select, Screen Write, and Live Messages. Enjoy effortless precision with its slim 0.7mm pen tip and 4096 pressure levels. It feels as natural as using a real pen. It's perfectly designed to work with your Galaxy S23 Ultra's large screen. Experience the best possible writing and drawing experience. We're committed to your satisfaction. Contact us anytime with questions, we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. It offers Bluetooth for remote control, Air Command features, and a precise 0.7mm tip. If you want a premium experience with all the features, this is the top choice. What people say. Excellent calidad, se conectos sin problemas a mi celular. Works as expected. I lost my stylus and bought this as a replacement. Is synced perfectly with my Samsung. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.